Welcome to the rabbithole.tech. Okay, now we're going to do ends with. All right, and obviously we're looking for a match at the end of the string. So let's just do period. When we run that, get back false or true, depending on whether it ended with a period. It can be a little bit longer string. And that ended in a R period. Alligator ended in an R period. And the other strings did not. Okay, so then you can also do a start and end there with that. If I do, well, let's just leave it with the 0 and 10, and we'll see if we get lucky. I doubt it. Helps if I save it. And we didn't get lucky. If I do it, let's see. Let's just make that up to 40. And we'll see what we get here. There you go. Found it there, but because this R period is a lot later than 40 characters, it didn't find it that time. And just to highlight it, we will put it there, and you'll see that the last one is now true because we aren't limiting ourselves as to where that end of string is. Now let's move on to expand tabs. And the default number of characters that you're going to get is 8. And this one's a little interesting in how it works. I'm going to just put a tab out here to begin with, and I'm going to put a /t on the next line, and you will see the difference. Okay, so it doesn't, if you use a tab character, it doesn't expand it. It's looking for the /t. And then that it will expand to, in this case, the 8 characters. I can make it 16. And you know what? Let me, so we can address one more thing at the same time. Let's just do that. All right. So you can see this expanded out to 16 characters, which is what we told it. But alligator, that's not 16 characters. It's obviously what it's doing. It's positioning every 16 characters is a tab stop. And so when you say expand tabs to 16, it's not every /t that you see. You're going to expand it to 16, 32, 12, 5, 4, 2, whatever it is that you think you're doing. It's going to put it at the nearest tab, at the first tab stop that it gets to. So it's not substituting X characters for /t. It's dividing up that page into tab stops. Okay, now we're going to go on to find. This is one that most people, one of the first or methods that people try to use. You need to find a character or a value in the string, and let's search for all. There we go. And it's giving you positions. The -1 didn't find it, and then character 12 is where it found all. Okay, and you can do start and end, 0 to 5. We'll just use some familiar numbers. And there, it didn't find it in any of them. And if I go from 5 to 10, or 5 to, 5 to 10. There we go. Okay, and that's what I thought was going to happen because of the extra space there. All right, let's make it 20. There you go. Found it again. Oh, that's right. And we said it was in character 12. Okay. Let's see. I think that's it for that. Okay. Now we're going to go on to format. And this is a format. There's a lot of things you can do with that. So we're going to kind of do just some minimal kind of work, and I'm probably going to create a new video for just format. All right, let's get that at 0. All right, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to reformat this, and let's see. Let me change this to format. Yeah, let's take dude there. All right, and so what this is going to do is put dude wherever it happens to see. That's 0. Oops. Okay, and you can tell you what. Let's do it. You can have more than one parameter, and let's just leave it at that for right now. Okay, and so it says sup dude, so it's substituted it, and let's see, in the Greek text somewhere we're going to find dude. It's like looking for Waldo. Where is it? Dude. I don't see it. Oh, there it is. You guys at home probably found it a lot faster than I did. Okay. That's it. That's all we're going to do for format right now. Like I said, I'll do another video later. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Also, reach out and let me know what you did or didn't like about the content and video. I look forward to presenting more rabbit holes in the future. See you then.